Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create toggle button using ActionScript 2. Create new ActionScript 2.0. First of all, I want to change the document property, change the color here. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now let's create button here first. Change color like this. Okay, and let's put some text here with different color. It's black. Toggle. Okay, yeah, it's here. Free transform and set it here. Okay, it's fine. Now select both of these and press F8 btn and choose the type for button. Press OK. Okay, now create new layer and name it as MVE or movie. In this layer we will create animation. Okay, so select rectangle, change the color, it's white, and yeah, okay. Now select it, press F8 and convert it into movie clip, MVE. Okay, now double click on this, so we are now in MVE. Okay, now let's create the classic twin. Select frame number 15, right click, insert keyframe and click anywhere and select create classic twin. Select first frame, select this, right click, free transform and resize it. Okay, like this. Selection tool, select it and put it here. Okay, and wait a minute. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now check this classic move. Okay, now select frame number 30, right click, insert keyframe and create classic twin. Okay, now we have to produce reverse effect. Select it, free transform, again, put it here. Okay, so this is the classic animation, like this and then this. Okay, now we have to put actions here on frame number 1. Select frame number 1 and go to go to window and choose actions. Okay, and write stop here, and same way on the frame number 15 write stop. Okay, This is it. Now go to scene 1 and yeah, I forgot something there in movie.